full of girl like netball. Hang up no baby. Me dey on the next call. Shout me tomorrow, man. Tired, you know. Hear that? Nah, this year, baby, me wouldn't hear that. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Yeah, get it. Today, guys, as I say from the thumbnail, as you see from the title, this video has been requested so many times. Every video I put out, somebody or 2 or 3 person, please, do Abra Cadabra black box. This video is like, you know, for quite a while now. Just to check it out. The video is like 9 minutes long. So if it get too long, I'm gonna do part 1 and part 2. Cause I don't want to sit down and watch me for too long. Sometimes it can get boring. I know that, right? You should say no. Okay. So we're gonna jump in a black box reaction by Abra and see what go on. So, alright? Let's go. Let's get it. Alright, let's get it now, man. Come on. Let's see. Where shall we there?
Awesome.
Let's go. Pause every 10 seconds, right?
Look.
Wait, don't look yet. When I look yet. Like I said, this video I go pause every 10 seconds. His voice changing at this. He's young in this. So, is this the video that put him to the world? Is this the workpiece that put him out to the world for other people to see him? I was doing some research on this guy, and they were saying it is Crips and Conan who give him the, you know? So big up Crips and Conan for that. You brought a star to his ears and the eyes. Alright, let's go.
Man, don't talk my rap. Run up in the chap like boss with the money there, food up and yeah. Yeah, take away arm on the set before I get chopped.
I him sing that song, yeah? Me never know him sing this song. Me always hear the song, but me never know him sing it. Okay.
Yeah, look. Man, don't talk my rap. Run up in the chap like boss with the money there, food up and yeah.
Hey, boy, I'm not pull up a talking. Mr. Chin, where the money there? Hey, Mr. In Jamaica, we call all Chinese man Mr. Chin. All Chinese woman, Mrs. Chin. Mr. Chin, where the money there? Put the money in the bag and I make a boy, Mr. Chin. A girl, Mr. Chin. Give me money, man.
Yeah, take away arm on the set before I get chopped. Bomba clat, yeah, idiot, don't with the chai right. Yeah.
Obviously, he's not robbing Mr. Chin. Obviously, him a rob the shatter them, the dealer them. Let's go.
Yeah, look. So, PK humble for man, they said he got a movie. I said, bro, I don't want no Xenos, I ain't no juvie.
Huh? That part they go on my head. Me not go long it up. Me not go long on a video. Let's go.
He said 3-9 bars of the Buju Bantan, let's do this.
3-9 bar at the Buju Bantan. The Buju Bantan at the... Remember say Buju Bantan did go to prison in America allegedly for cocaine. Allegedly. But him talking about Buju Bantan would have make me think him talk about weed, because I don't know Rastaman, Buju Bantan, Rastaman smoke weed.
Me don't talk, meet me at the spot down south, I'ma be there soonish. Wow, look, that L skin long like JV.
I say, yo, man, I put what talking, brother. The phone thing is not a good thing to be talking on the phone thing. So meet me at the spot. You don't know where the spot there. Meet me at the spot there, I'll be there soonish. When black people say, yo, don't worry, I'll be there soon. If I'm morning, just wait until noon. You will see them there. You see?
Man, I smoke till my eyes go red. Man, I smoke till my brain get wavy. Look, that you be few wear. Lie that I beg a man rate me.
Man, I tell you about the kush where I smoke, the weed where I smoke, the Bob Marley where I smoke, the Buju where I smoke. Higher than a kite. Higher than a Air Jamaica flight. Higher than a British Airways. Higher than a Virgin Atlantic. Higher than American Airlines. That's something, man. I'm high.
Look, I can't be the youngest in charge and be out here beefing these babies. Look, 4-4 Glock 9 where? Man, just cool with your gas gun.
What? Man, say, listen, me can't be the youngest out here as a boss and I worry them novice here, them fool here, them nana brain boy here. You see me? Brother, you don't have no real gun. You don't have no 4-4 or no Glock. Either easy with the gas gun, because you have some imitation that look like a real gun. Them can fire normal, not normal bullet, but bullets, like some little pebble, that make you think, if it catch you, it can damage you, but it have to be close to kill you. To be fatal, but move with a gas gun, brother.
You know man's ready for the brekkie, so please don't go on like a madman. Look, meanwhile phone up fizzy. Yo big bro got a suntan. Look, holler at sound man, Richard got a heli on.
Basically, yes sir. I'm tell you say, yo, hurry up with the weed, brother. Don't act like you're a madman, dog. You know what we're here for. Don't make me call the rest of dog them to come dopey in the youth. Hurry up with the weed. Hurry up with the drugs. Hurry up with whatever you come for. Hurry up. You know what time it is from your seaway. Hurry up.
Come and pick up that grab and I move that way. Man, stick up that plug, put the broom to his face.
You see? Man, stick up the plug, put the broom to his face. You see me? The broom at the long rifle. To his face, we have put that. Know yourself, boy. Let's go.
Don't play mouth, shoot man's brain. The road get bun up when Fiddy and Fizz in the wake car. Man go mad in the trap. Man do road to my bros, man don't lack.
We go mad in the trap. We are lunatics. We are lunatics in the trap. We are raving madmen in the trap. When we say madman, we don't mean Nyamota garbage pan madman. We mean real blood clot madman. That is what we are in the trap.
Man do road in my rams, had a man doing 10 toes. Man start rap with the gang. Now I got a room full of hoes. Now I'm going mad in the trap. Fiddy gotta move these O's.
Man say my room full of hoes, a room full of bitches. I don't know, say, when you start make money, enough girl I go forward because the girl them love the bang bang, the shibang, the boola, the brrr, the girl them love it. So you don't know the girl them love the lifestyle. Big up the bad girl them who love the lifestyle. If it is not for you, it's not for you. Stay out of the lane. You see it? Let's go.
Wow. Look, check the score, check the textbook. While you was in the crib with Westwood, I was on the road to the bros with a big team, kicking down doors for the best butch.
When I'm saying about Westwood, is it talking about Team Westwood?
Mad in the trap, Fiddy gotta move these O's. Wow. Look, check the score, check the textbook. While you was in the crib with Westwood, I was on the road to the bros with a big.
While you was in the crib with Westwood, I don't know which Westwood is referring to there. So if you know, please leave it in the comment section which Westwood is. And also, it's gonna be it's going into that spasm thing when he go he's going mad, right? You know, man? That is my way of saying he's going mad. His brain is yeah. Let's go.
Those for the best butch. Look, man, I'm screaming K this, K that, all now something ain't dead. Look, how can you say that I'm new to this shit when the last year I butt tea bled?
Alright, boy, I say man a novice. I say, brother, hold on, what's some water, man? Come. I say me a novice. I say me a rookie. I call me a noob. Remember, say the last boy when me pull up and dead. Him dead like him cocky when him not use.
No. No.
The man dead, brother. Bleed out. Bleed out like a suck out back juice. Bleed out. You see it? Let's go.
Look, this is Tottenham, fam. Round here, we don't fight with no what list, girl. When I box you, the dance don't watch, man, fam. Tottenham 1-7, yeah, you know my gang.
Tottenham come from. North side. Big up north side. North side him come from. You see me? Man say, yo, we don't fight with no what list, girl, brother. If a girl want to leave, see the door there. Go on. We not fight with the brother. We a star. You see it?
Yeah. Look, gotta get it right now. Trying to lose these pounds, then gain it again. My connect from south.
Got to get it right now. Got to lose these pounds and get it again. So the drugs when bringing, you must go get it, get rid of it, and bring in some more. So you know, so the table have to turn, to flip over. It's bubbling over, it's bubbling over, it's bubbling, it's bubbling over. That the man I tell us, say, yo, money have to make. You see me? Yeah, we have to go back and market. You see me? Yeah. So we profit over there, so market money over here, so that's how we did it. Let's go.
Young change for an ounce. That green pack lied, I've been up from morning.
What I'm saying, how much for an ounce? How much for an ounce?
Gain it again, my connect from south. Young change for an ounce. That green pack lied, I've been up from morning. Look.
Him connect from south, so obviously him connect their south. His connection is in south, so you don't know, say it's just a small change for your house because him and him connect have the agreement there, him and him connect good like that. Let's go.
Look, no time for yawning, cause the Lizzie be calling, trap thing boring. But it's okay, cause the money keeps falling, dot these jakes.
Aye, no time for yawning. Oh, I'm bored. Yeah, we know that he's bored. No time for that. We know that. But the money is good, so we are going to do it. We are going to do it because we want the moolah, the money, the bang bang, the shibang, the brrr, the cheese, the bread, the cheddar. Let's go.
Through the cold of the rain grind, now that's rules of the...
Him said something about...
But it's okay, cause the money keeps falling, dot these jakes. Through the cold of the rain grind, now that's rules of the game. I don't care about fame, I'm not your babe.
The Jakes are police. basically the police them on them tail now, them on them back them and watch them because them a get hot. Them are the talk of the street and thing. So you know that go police are go after you.
Just give Aki, I still don't rate. Get the fuck out my face. This road thing rage. Youths get slain. Knife work pray. My G's don't play. Man's felt bare pain. Don't tell me about age.
Yeah, hey boy, don't tell me about age. Don't tell me about no age. Not because I'm young. Hey boy, I'm little but me talawa. Not because I'm young, we still push my knife in you. Not because I'm young, we still chef you. Not because I'm young, we still deal with you. A wicked like Gordon Ramsay, chef you up.
Teen grown man get paid, my bro, you're late. That Beanie told me we stay. So it's on Vince all day. I swear down on Vince all day. Look, and that's trouble if I come through.
Yo, him confident long time. Can I just say? Him confident long time. Him bad long time. Him know him bad long time. So it is only right for him dip on the forefront. Right, so? Him young right so him young. He's young right here, but he's doing it.
Take that lap if I want to. On me, on who? What's your words, man? Don't burn you. But
yeah, next read even now. Next read even now. Next read even now. Fire.
Check it. Look.
Okay, alright. He's going in again. You know the gangsters them with the phone them up, the G them with the phone up. You know say yo, them about to witness a moment right here.
Alright, look. Fuck the 5-0, Tottenham we live-o. Still beating shots on the blood clot high road.
Bomba clot! Pull up! Pro. Yo! The beat what I'm carrying is a hip-hop beat, the infamous hip-hop beat. Alpha beat, that's a 2-pop beat that, right? A 2-pop beat that. Changes, right? A changes beat that, no? Bomba clot! Put my light on them, man. Light off it, come on, that's a man. Why? Let's go again. Look.
Check it. Look. Alright. Look. Fuck the 5-0. Tottenham we live-o. Still beating shots on the blood clot high road.
Hey, fuck the police. Fuck the police. We still a beat shot out here on the high road. On the high street. But now the town center, we still a knock it. Come. Boom. Brrr, bam. Wild West out here, so police can't do nothing.
Fucking with the F, man, the F so sweet. My nigga fight swiping whips with his eyes closed. My niggas grind, no sleep on the curb, my life.
What I'm saying, boy, whips.
And the F so sweet, my nigga fight swiping whips with his eyes closed.
In Bridging is a car thief. Him can do it with him eye closed. He must swipe it with him. You know, so you need your whips to do your ride up. Ride up on a youth, or ride up on a gang and bust it on them and cut again. Stolen car. When time that done, you go, you burn out the car. Burn it out, no chase, no face, no case. Let's go.
My niggas grind, no sleep on the curb, my life reckless. My niggas phone so old school like Tetris.
Bumbo clot. Abra, why you so bad youth? Abra, why you so bad youth? The man say, yo, my nigga phone are old school like Tetris. I saw the thing old school. You know, said this a phone and have Bluetooth, you know, have infrared. Remember Snake? Panakia. It no have Snake. It no have no game on the phone. Just answer call. Not even flashlight up on the phone. Let's go.
Try tech, what's mine? You risk losing your life. We don't snitch round here, bro. That's the next thing. Funny man on the roads want act up. Man, I be climbing in your yard like I'm Santa.
Ho. Merry Christmas. Ho. I bring you gifts. I bring you lots of gifts. You want it? Come. Climbing in your yard, brother, like Santa. The man said, we're climbing in your yard like Santa Claus, brother. Bars. Let's go.
Big ram busy, now your throat, this ain't banter. You don't want no smoke, car man's cancer. Killing the rhythm, I really love how these women and I...
Jesus Christ, guys. First him said, big Rambo in your throat. Rambo knife, the big Rambo knife in your throat. You see me? And a banter, brother. Then the man said, brother, you don't want no smoke. This is no cancer. You know, say cancer and smoke no agree. You see me? Cancer, smoke kill, cigarette that is.
Saint Banter. You don't want no smoke, car man's cancer. Killing the rhythm.
You don't want to smoke cause I am cancer. Me will kill you. Death?
I really love how these women and I be kicking and winning, don't really care about win, but they just love what I'm ringing and they just love how I'm singing. I'm really trying to stop singing, but the party's beginning.
That is a too blood clot bad, brother. But done, brother. That is a too bad, brother. Hear the man switch up him flow upon it. Hear the man switch him flow easy and quick, brother. Hear that? Natural. Bomba clot.
Of course doing bro, this a Marza. Kick man down while I'm screaming Gaza. Man will fuck up a pussy then cut like my father.
Gaza. Yo, man, what I'm saying?
Marza, kick man down.
Wait.
I'm really trying to stop saying it, but the party's beginning. Me and Coach doing bro, this a Marza. Kick man down while I'm screaming Gaza, man.
Kick man down while I'm screaming Gaza. You know, say Gaza have Vibes Cartel crew. Vibes Cartel at the head of the Gaza nation. Big up the Gaza nation. Gaza, me say. Big up the Gaza nation. The man say, yo, me will kick you down and I scream Gaza. And guess what? Me will cut like my father. So basically, him tell you say, him father they cut from when time he was smaller. His father wasn't around. That's how I tell you. So big up mommy to bring you up to bring you up G. Score.
Fuck up a pussy then cut like my father. Knock man's tin from Tottenham to Ghana. Look, real shower man gotta eat right.
I'm not sure how many people reacted to this, but them bars here, when I spit here, so go over a lot of people. Here's why. Shower man, shower posse. Him say something about shower man.
Knock man's tin from Tottenham to Ghana. Look, real shower man gotta eat right.
Real shower man got to eat right. Shower man are the infamous gang from West Kingston. Dodos gang. Dodos from Jim Brown days to Dodos. Those are some Yardie. The infamous Yardie gang that went to America in the 60s, 70s, 80s and them time. And you know, no more. 80s, 90s, yeah. And they did America wicked with the cocaine trade and thing. And you go out with one bag of thing and then further England and then fall back to Jamaica and thing. You see me? So you don't know. Shower posse. Score.
Tech man's food, tell him suck your mum 3 times. For the money, I'll be climbing in your beehive. For the money, I'll be climbing in your beehive.
For the money, hey boy, suck your mother 3 times. Suck your mother. You deaf? Me say, what me say a while ago? Wait, man, wait. You deaf? You hear me now? You want to hear me now? Suck your mother. 3 times. That the man just said. That the man just said to them. You see me? Yeah, 3 times. You see me? Me a climbing on your beehive. Your nest. Your belly. Come take with the whole of your money, brother. Me not left with nothing. Jill, nothing.
Why's your best mind in your dishing? Cause it can get long with the smithing. Mommy got her knives all back up in the kitchen. Cause she got a big 4-5 that will lift him. The rope.
Why?
Smithing. Mommy got her knives all back up in the kitchen. Cause she got a big 4-5 that will lift him.
Mommy got a knife up back in the kitchen. So what am I saying? Bring back your mother knife or your mother hide the knife from him. But anyway, it don't matter because I have a big 4-5. I have a big 4-5 and 45. I scale. Skirty! Hold on. Oh, the 45 song.
What's that, boy?
You know that? Go ahead, dog. Yeah, dog. All right, let's go.
To getting gritty and it's painful. Carbon out it, chilling watching rainfall. Mommy said not everyone that smells is your friend, so my bro. You would be surprised that it would snake you this.
Hey, and everything glitter gold. Your mother, I'll tell you that. And everything glitter gold. And every skin teeth laugh. You see me? And everybody will smile with you. Are your friends. Some of them want to stab in the back, but they might try to get close. Don't get close. Don't get close. Suck your mother again. Let's go, man. Let's go.
Weight on my chest and I can feel it. Cause anytime I want to speak my mind, I stop breathing. These judgmental pricks really think that I'm an Egypt. I've no problem, I really be a demon. My break.
Hey boy, them judgmental boy, I think I'm an idiot. Pussy, me just play fool for catch wise. I'm playing fool to catch wise. Me I got kill the whole out no. The whole out no I got dead. Me I pre the whole out no. No dip on my radar, dip on my scope. You got dead.
Just like abs, just leave them people. If I start moving wicked, they go say that I'm evil. Make them start busting stunts like 𝐉𝐀𝐊𝐃𝐈𝐿.
Yo, if me start turn up the heat on them pussy ya, them have to start move like a stunt. Like a stunty. 𝐉𝐀𝐊𝐃𝐈𝐿 style. Them have to lift up like a plane. Everyone have to lift up like a plane without wing. You deaf? What me say?
Body slam a prick like William Regal. They say that I'm bad mind. I say that they're bad mind. It's he say, she say, and it's wasting my damn time. I can.
Hey, me on the he say, she say thing in a brother. Me on the it in a brother. Me a bad man on the road in the dark. Me a bad man in a real life. Me on the he say, she say thing. A girl thing that. Leave that for the girls and on the corner where I do people here. Leave that for the agents and shop them. That is a bitch move. Me on that we don't know. Suck your mother. Again. Let's go.
Be in the booth for me, building my dank line. They said I'm sitting there planning to hit them up and bang 5 car. I live this life, don't want to live this life. But it's really these guys distributing bare lies.
You're the man that's such a flow, dog.
Guys distributing bare lies, talking about when he see me, he gon' bun,
Done,
man.
man.
I turn a man's light skin dark like suntan.
Aye. Yeah, talk about when you see me, you go done me. Remember say light skin don't like suntan in a youth. You know what that mean? Me will burn your skin. Me will burn your skin. What you say? Want the next one? Suck your mother again! Score!
You think I do this road thing for fun, fam? I've seen chips of use in the N-ton gun, man. So this me and I turn up at a crib. Oh Lord, if the popo don't cuff, man, I'm
Hey, youth. Missy nerd ton gunman, missy geek ton gunman, missy good church youth ton gunman. Hey boy, I've been through that life. This me? I'ma turn up on your yard where your mother when your mother cook your food, I'ma kick over the pot. It burn her up, I'ma go upstairs for you, gonna knock you. Come. Boom. Come. Yeah.
Some of that you get. Yeah.
Some of that you get. Try know that. Let's go.
really in the field, I mean, I'm really in the street, Chirac. Nah, dog, I'm from the gritty streets of T. Ryanair, we ain't got no beach, no shopping city, just the shitty MacD's where the...
Yeah, which I will live at the slum we live in now. We don't have no shops around here. Just shitty McDonald's. Just dirty McDonald's. We're not good for people. That's all we have around here, so try and know that. We don't have no shop. This is behind behind the ghetto. This is not the ghetto, this is behind the ghetto. This is rested on the ghetto where we live.
Man and base up for a 1 munch. Come run and act up. You can order 1 time. She asked me where I'm from. Man and base up for a 1 munch. Come run and act up. You can order 1 time.
Hey boy, you can order 1 thump. Want a thump in your face? Come on, right. Whoop! In your face. Try no. Hey boy, you deaf? What am I saying for? Suck your mother again!
Ask me where I'm from, yo, be I'm from a 1 slums. Tottenham, right town, no side of London. So, man, I order the thing in my palms, it's done. If I catch him with the thing in my palms, you best run.
Yo, if me catch you flat-footed with my thing in my hand, which is always in my hand, hey boy, you better run. You better Usain Bolt it out of here. You better Asafa Powell out of here, brother. Know yourself.
Ain't hard for you with funds to get spun. Ain't hard for me to nap him and demand a fat son. Man, all Uncle Fire's telling me spark up a jobby.
Yo, it not hard. Once you make money, it not hard for me rob you. It not hard for me run up on you, nab you. Hey boy, come here, headlock. Put the gun in my head and say, hey boy, money. Where the money there? Run the money now. It not hard to do that. It's easy. It's kids like taking candies from a baby.
Before you have to roll up and spark up a rookie look. Then again, I want bags this year, so I beg you, please don't pass me the dolly. Are you freeing up your willy to a minor?
That not right. What on, that not right, brother?
Bags this year, so I beg you, please don't pass me the dolly. Are you freeing up your willy to a minor?
Hey, pedophile boy. Or if you see the little girl and not put argument to her. Or if you see the underage girl, I want to look her. Or if you see the underage girl and I say, yo, you want to put your willy to her. Come. Boom. That you forget, suck your mother again. That you forget. Let's go.
You really that hurt that your girl type mind dark car. They call me Banner Boy, man, and call me Banner Boy. If I got a Banner Boy, don't set off my time back.
Hey, how you feel? How you feel say your girl are right for my? How you feel say your girl are right for my? How you feel say your girl are right for my? Ding dong. How you feel? Take away your girl, brother. It is. It wasn't your girl. You were just borrowing her. Our one. Our girl.
Look, take time when you're whining. And I'ma take you round, we'll be dining. Me and Fi's got your friend's girl hyping. And when she steps out, we got her looking righteous.
Yeah, the one I tell you which man. I'm gonna treat her right. I'm gonna treat her like a gentleman should. But even though he's a terrorist on the street, I'm gonna treat her like that. Even though I'm bad a road, I'm gonna treat her like that. You see it?
Hot browning with a big bag. Make her shake that like a box full of Tic Tacs. I'm a will that, no problem, chit chat.
The man change again. The man say hot browning with a big back. Body big like a M25, body big. Hot browning, brother, make you shake it like a tic-tac buckle. You know when they tic-tac them inside and you shake it here. Make it clap for the J. To your babes, come on, let's go.
Got a feeling like she want ride on this rich back. show. Look, but I'ma grip that. Aye, tell her come round to my gift gap.
Yeah, come on. Come on to my gift gaff. Come on to my yard. Come on to the gaffer. Come on to the gaff. Yeah? Yes, baby. Yes, baby.
Keep it riding dirty in my rental, let her whip that. Look, no flex zone, I'm a kickback. Look, 181 order. Praise the Lord, you only have one father.
Praise the Lord, you only have one father. Yo, the man I say, yo, what him in I'm rental and driving just makes you whip that. Don't know. Grimy thing, man, there. Hey, I'm here. Lady in the street, but a bitch in the road. Let's go.
Marza, I'ma give a haters gal the saga. She ain't ever had a low battery cause I charge her. If I had her going in and I'ma go harder.
Bumbo, the man said she never ever have a low battery come and charge her. What we want to pick up on, look at this youth. Which way we go? Look at this person. I'm gonna put the mouse right here. When him said that, one guy do something like what?
Saga, she ain't ever had a low battery cause I charge her. If I had her going in and I'ma go harder.
Yes, shit, him just said that a while ago. Yeah, that me a pre to. Him really just said that. She never have a low battery because I go charge her and him not talk her phone. I go charge her. Bumbo clot.
Grinding with my cartels in the Gaza. Soon catch us chilling off in the plaza. Bright lights on the door saying Maza.
And still a grind with him cartel in the Gaza. Him a very play this so Vibes Cartel, like I tell you earlier on, Vibes Cartel run the Gaza. So him a chill with cartel in the Gaza. After that we go chill up on the plaza. Bumbo clot. Bars.
Come with a bang, can you hear me? No manners on beats, they should fear me. If you got beef with success, don't come near me, cause I'm...
Hey, if you have beef with success, don't come near me. Don't come near me, dog. Don't come near me. No, do it. Dangerous. Approach with caution, brother. Let's go.
Car, I remember watching CBBS, no stress, I didn't know about KMT. The only crime I committed was KDG.
KDG, what is KDG? What is KDG? Siri, what's up? Siri. What's my name? You're not talk. You're the silent. Alright, straight up on silent. KDG, me know what that mean, but him say him grew up watching CBB. CBBs are the cartoon, though. Like a kids cartoon, though. I believe so. Yeah. He never know about KMT. Let's go.
Now I'm sitting in the trap, God save me, please, show. Damn, I'm getting older. There was a point where I saw my life fold up. Many times I should have linked my daddy, never showed up.
See that again, walk his father. Many times should have linked him and he never showed up. Him called mommy and said, Mommy, put on Abra on the phone. Abra up on the phone. Yes, daddy. Yo, me soon come check you. Saturday me come check you. And then Abra put on him clothes and outside I wait for the man and now the man not show up. Many times him do that to the youth. You see me? Guys, and if you fix up, brother, I can't treat you to pit them some man. Let's go.
He used to busy my calls when I phoned up. So you can never say I wasn't made for this. My brothers had whips, I had to pay for lifts.
I bet him father regret that all of that now. If his father is still alive, bet him father regret all of that now. Because him used to do well. Yes, he's had a rough upbringing, but maybe if his father was in his life more, him wouldn't have it so hard.
And in the past, I didn't have no present, my bro. I had to pay for gifts. Look, Christmas soon come, no funds for that.
I never have no present. Growing up in the past, I never have no present. Maybe I have to pay for gift. I have to pay for gift, dog. Hard enough, brother.
If I see my Christmas and I ain't stuck in the can car, I said to myself, I ain't going, Joe. I nearly never stuck with the plan. Look.
I said to myself, I ain't going, Joe. I nearly never stuck with the plan. I nearly never stuck with the plan.
I swear it really hurts me. Why I gotta grind hard and move dirty? Why I gotta worry about my brothers being 30?
Why? Why me have to worry about all them things there? Why me at my young age? Why me have to worry about them things there? My life should have better. My life should have better. Me shouldn't have to worry about if my brother them have my back, if my brother them certified with me. Me shouldn't have to worry about that. You see me? But it's just the world we live in and we have to worry about them things there.
Why can't I live easy with the girlies? Mumsy telling me stop coming home late. How I gotta put food on my plate through the cold of the rain.
Hey, mommy, I respect you to the max. I love you to the max, but as far as coming home late, it going up. Me cannot promise you that won't happen again. I can't promise you that, mommy. I'm sorry.
Sure, look, grind hard, that's the rules of the game. Right. Shawty wanna fuck with a nigga like me, wanna fuck with a nigga like me, but my shot.
Yo, the man changing flow again. The man changing flow again. Shawty wanna fuck with a nigga like me. What up? Yo, let's go.
Shawty knows if you fuck with a nigga like me, I could put you on night TV. Shawty looking blessed.
If you fuck with a nigga like me, I can put you on ITV. ITV at the channel 3. Channel 3. On Sky though. Yeah, ITV.
I done never been for sex, but I had to show her that I'm the best of the rest. I'm the rest of the best. Cat that body looking vexed. I said, but I had to show her that I'm the best of the rest. I'm the rest of the best. Cat that body looking vexed. I said, cups.
I'm the best of the best. I'm the best of the best. Cause I want to look at flex. Yo, the man that's different, dog. Different.
To that rose, I'm chilling watching Soul Plane, getting groovy for the whole day.
Oh, remember Soul Plane? Oh, remember the movie Soul Plane? Man, say I'm chilling watching Soul Plane with Kevin Hart. I think that is one of Kevin Hart's first big movies, though. Yeah.
That's me, but it's going tax-free look. Expensive taste, expensive ways. African queen with expensive lace.
Aye, the girl match her too expensive. She expensive. So you don't know, say. You have to feed her habit. Because she expensive, so you have to out there go look it. You see me? Yo, expensive taste. African princess with expensive. Yo, let's go.
The finish line's mad. She's a Ghana girl. That's an expensive race. I said, told you me.
She's a Ghana girl. I think the next person did tell me if do my research on him and listen to one song when him do. And they tell you which part him come from.
Niger girl want do me. She said she want get groovy. Mommy said what got mad when she saw for me.
Nigerian girl want him. She want it, but something about him mother.
Look, cause she heard I'm the in thing. She want get to ping and she tells me I'm sweet like chin chin.
She told me I'm sweet like chin chin. At the girl time now, you know, brother. The man I sing for the girl them now, dog. The man is versatile, brother.
Gets parallel when my phone starts ringing. Cause she thinks that it's my gym thing. So she starts with her lips and
what? She get paranoid when the phone start ringing because she thinks at the gym thing. So I'm have a girl at the gym. Yo, blood clot, full of girl like netball. Hang up now, baby. Me dey on the next call. Shout me tomorrow, man. Tired, you know, hear that. Nah, this yo, baby, me wouldn't hear that. Pity, you know when she dey on the phone. See, she dey on me cocky, me a feel up. Simone Kimson, please call me on a chip. Sasha Gate and a BB, say she reach home. Girl in a Laristan, girl a Keystone. To the name Sunday, so me give you the tea. Me never friend fish, what a tea. What a boy they do, make a man a game cone. Let's go.
Skin, I'm rubbing on her Chris skin. She brought me on a man with square so that I sang him, but I might just drink him. I thought I said I'm kidding.
Bumbo clot. You're the man change again, dog. You're the confidence in the man thing, brother. You're the confident, dog. My blood clot. Abra, you're bad in a youth. Abra, you're bad, brother.
Till I gave her that titting. She gets mad when my phone starts to ring. She wants me to buy her a ring. Oh no.
Back up. Yo, the man, he's just taking the piss now. He's taking the piss now. Abra, you're taking the piss now, bro. Seriously.
Look, check it, but I'm so seductive. You could put me in the booth, I'm so productive. You could put me in the room with a gal and I take that bitch to Disney and back out, poker, hunt the show.
Yo, put me anywhere. Me can adapt to any situation. Put me in the boat, I'm gonna show you what I want. Fire. Put me in a room with a girl, you don't know. Fire in her wire, she beg me for retire. Bumbo clot. Yo, me full of rhyme like orange. Me full of rhyme like lime. Let's go. Yo, the man them rate the man, dog. Look on the love of the man I get in the place. The man them rate him, dog. The man them rate the man, dog. The man them rate the man, dog. Let's go, brother. Yo, guys. Wanna say wanna want the black box reaction? See the black box reaction there. Black box reaction, there it is. I've got a lot of comment to react to black box, see black box there. Me done black box. So if you like the video, please like the video. If it is the first time here, please subscribe to the channel, help the channel grow. Also, guys, if you want to contribute anything to the cause, to the channel, to help the channel in any way, any form, anywhere that, my PayPal link is down below. You can give a little thing. If you don't give nothing, we still good same way. You don't know. It's not all about the money, it's about the entertainment. So, I want to big up everybody who tune in. Big up on yourself, like back up on shelf. Paper. I'm out of here. So big up on yourself. If it can't be good, be lucky. If you don't have nothing good to say, not say nothing. Peace.